भने न
यहाँ तिमी पनि आइरहेको छौ ल गइ ल तिम्रो नाम चाहिँ के हो निष्ठा राम्रो राम्रो सानो उमेरमा यसरी दोकानमा बस्नु है राम्रो हो नि हुन्छ भेटौँ न कहिले काहीँ ल
Hello everyone, today I am taking you to a very beautiful place and I am motovlogging, so stay tuned. Please watch this video till the end because I will show the unexplored areas of Pedong, my hometown. You can expect a beautiful waterfall, green forest, fresh water, and a beautiful landscape.
Wow, beautiful place.
There are two roads and I have come from the road which is in the lower side. This resting place are built by the family members in the name of the loved ones who have expired. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. You might be wondering where I am going. I am in Duka, one of the most beautiful place in Pedong, and I hope you will enjoy this vlog. We are about to reach a very beautiful waterfall, so stay tuned. This is one of the unexplored areas in the Darjeeling Hills. I will try to go till this road ends, so please watch this vlog till the end. The fresh air, green forest, and a well-carpeted road. What else a rider needs? Really beautiful, fully made of bamboo. Recently, the locals are trying to create gardens and picnic spot for the visitors in this place. If you have not still come to this place, then you can come as a rider or with a family, and you should stay here so that you can enjoy the beauty and peace in this place. Everything is so fresh and natural. I could not control my emotions. After a long time, I have come riding my bike. Now I will head towards that direction till this road ends. I have heard this road ends near the Duka school. The volume of water will increase during the rainy season. The locals are so peace-loving, and we can get that vibe. I could no longer wait to get on my bike again. So let's start our journey again. And I would like to show my place. I have come from that mountain. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your support. I will try my best to come with good content, and please do not stop to give me the same level of love and support. Maybe they will fill the water here in future. This is the end of the road. Looks like a local school is there. I really love the landscape. How about you please do not forget to comment. Let me climb over there so that I can show you clearly. All those villages in the mountain are now being connected through roads, even though the road looks rough. The school is on top of the mountain, and the view from the school is very beautiful. That mountain range is Damsang. There is a fort of the Lepcha king who once ruled this place Pedong and other regions.
मेरो फेरि अलिक काम छ त्यो मैले फेरि म त अब गान्डो पो धाउँदैछु नि त अहिले त्यो मैले यहाँ चाहिँ तपाईँको हिँडेर यस्तो टाइम त त्यति त लाग्छ ल भाइ अब आउँछु अलिक पर हो यसमा त अप्ठ्यारो छ हजुर आज त्यही भ्लग बनाउँदै आएको नि म भिडियोहरू बनाउँदै कि
हामी देख्नु पाउँछ होला
हजुर
हामी देख्नु पाउँछ होला
देख्नु पाउनुहुन्छ सब्सक्राइब गर्नु ल बहिनी आदित्य जे राई भ्लग्स गर ल ADITYA ITYA space J space right हेर ल म हाल्छु तिमीले पुच्का बनाएको म यहाँ भिडियो गरिरहेको छु हाई भन न यहाँ तिमी पनि आइरहेको छौ ल गइ ल तिम्रो नाम चाहिँ के हो निष्ठा राम्रो राम्रो सानो उमेरमै यसरी दोकानमा बस्नु है राम्रो हो नि हुन्छ भेटौँ न कहिले काहीँ ल गइ ल बाई बाई
I hope you have enjoyed today's bike ride, and if you're new to this channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this vlog till the end.